In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Freshsales with Gmail. Connecting your Gmail account to Freshsales is a simple setup that can make your daily workflow much smoother. Once connected, you'll be able to send and receive emails directly inside Freshsales, keep conversations organized, log emails to your contacts automatically, and in some cases even track opens, use templates, and schedule messages. It's a great way to keep your sales communication and CRM activity in one place. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen, and click on it. This opens the account menu where you'll want to select personal settings. This is where Freshsales lets you manage your individual preferences, including your email setup. After you're in personal settings, find and click the Connect Email option. Freshsales will then show you the available email providers you can connect. From there, click Gmail to start the connection process. At this point, Google will open the sign-in and authorization screen. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect to Freshsales. Make sure you select the correct account, especially if you manage more than one inbox for work or personal use. After selecting the account, click Continue. Google will then show you a permissions screen so Freshsales can access the email features needed to sync your inbox and let you work from within the CRM. Review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Continue again to approve the connection. Once that's done, your Gmail account will be linked to Freshsales. With the connection complete, you can now send and receive emails directly from Freshsales, automatically log customer communications, view complete conversation history, and improve how you track engagement with leads and contacts. Depending on your Freshsales plan, you may also be able to use email templates, schedule emails, and track email opens. All of this helps reduce manual work and keeps your communication history tied to the right records inside your CRM. A quick tip before you start using it regularly. After connecting your account, take a moment to check that emails are syncing properly and appearing under the correct contacts. That way, you can be confident everything is working as expected from the beginning. And that's how to connect Gmail with Freshsales. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.